Next Gen Tata Tiago. Dual tone interior, dual smartphone deck but wireless charger. Zip fast 100% watt shakmat bercedian, blind view monitor. Bagi way. Tek kum ki kali rem, hagador ke bejam. Tak saupoin rewlak. Just wow.
Keyboard penya district East ka sales kila pentep baha kamiet bagi Pulit ke mudlai kam Shuh iki Dkhot ka Khasi Student Union KSU na office tray kam kaseng hadien baladep kam yu president vice president but general secretary kaladon ka jingsha Kawang Petrol bom ki Pulit habakren sikila pthai khubor u deputy commissioner ka East ka sales district u Abilash Baranwal haka arphotorik noilar ajar punrieu ulong bagi Pulit kimbanse banpran kam do stun grenade bat katu katni kitiar gas halor ka jingkam ka KSU ba ki bapenjat penpra kali bat shock lab ki brio hakapor bayai rally arshaka balale da ki bashim kabu deputy commissioner ulong ba ka jingkam ka dei halor ka saki sabut bat kamshem laja tang kawai ne artli ki jingja hakawai kalyang pat halor ka jingkali na ei lakem mi ki noilam ka KSU bat kapor balakem ki u deputy commissioner uklemla ban ai jubab bat pha kali no SP ka district ulong bakin nong shong kilami bat khangla diki Pulit banle yakakamram jongki bat kumta kilaphai no.
After the arrest of the three leaders, police wanted to arrest those who were directly also involved, who could be verified to be involved in the assault as well. So they had gone to the office of KSU in Jaīaw. When they approached the office, at that time a petrol bomb was hurled on them. And accordingly an FIR has been filed for that petrol bomb as well, for basically an attack on the police forces. Now, when a petrol bomb is hurled on them, the police has to respond. However, the response was absolutely proportionate. There was no indiscriminate use of stun grenades or tear gas. They had to use one stun grenade and they used tear gas just to be able to at least disperse the crowd which was trying to attack the police forces. However, after that, after the stun grenade which basically unsettled the community, when the community leaders approached the police quickly kind of withdrew from there to not cause further inconvenience to the people. But I do want to iterate that the response was proportionate. There was no intention from police side to cause any disturbance to anyone who was not part of this protest, and simultaneously the aggression was from their end, wherein a petrol bomb was hurled onto the police forces and police had to respond. So basically when police is going to go for arrest, an element of surprise has to be maintained. If you are going to inform everyone, that element of surprise is taken. To be able to create an atmosphere of safety and security within the city, to be able to give a message to the rest of the country as well, that Shillong is not comfortable with what has happened yesterday. Police has to show demonstrable action. And in that course of action, they need to arrest people who have been involved in this arson and assault and vandalization. And police did what it was supposed to do. The action was extremely limited to the office of the organization. They went there with the purpose of arresting individuals, and that's why and any use of tear gas and the use of one stun grenade was only necessitated by the fact that they were attacked by a petrol bomb from the organization. We want to appeal to all the residents of Shillong, be it indigenous community, be it non-tribals, be it tourists, be it those who have just come here for working and earning their livelihood. Do not indulge in rumor mongering, that is one. Secondly, we are committed to their safety and security. Simultaneously, they must cooperate with the law enforcement agencies. We have brought adequate security personnel so as to ensure that further such incidents do not occur, and we are in process of increasing the night patrolling and simultaneously ensuring that there is an atmosphere of security and safety within the city. And we want to work hand in hand with the community. I have asked all my sector magistrates that they must reach out to the headmen. In fact, my Sadar sector magistrate has already had this meeting with the localities, with Sadar OC. Similarly, every magistrate as of now is currently dealing with the community, trying to assuage their fears, trying to provide them that sense of safety and security, which is very, very essential for a peaceful living. So I appreciate the question, because I understand that anyone who is in Shillong as of now, I personally believe that there are two things that they are undergoing. One is a slight is sort of regret, because if you'll see in social media, so many Meghalayan are expressing. I mean, they are being apologetic. They are being slightly embarrassed also about what has happened yesterday. Simultaneously, there is a certain sense of fear as well. So we want to work with them. We want to assure them that we are committed to their safety and security. In yesterday's incident, we were led to believe that the rally is going to be peaceful, even though we had put conditions, even though we had security deployment, but somehow that trust was not really, that trust was, I'll say that to some extent was broken. But then we are committed to their safety and security, and we are ready to work hand in hand with them. And simultaneously, we have adequate security personnel to ensure the same. We must not indulge in rumor mongering. And in case there is any stray incident which is reported across the city, please do reach out to us. Please do reach out to police. We will be responding swiftly to the same.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki bataya kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kishab plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la aikan diat bada ka bathau bha kam kta ika dur jingki marbam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki balehi panai kita kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan ka kot ka kia ka nutrition ba khambha ka jing im ba khambha pendon kam daki marbam medon ka sharp plus F menta kasni
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.